Welcome to Healthy Vegan Living. My name's Gary, and every single year what I'd like to do is show off something a little bit different in my garden. And today what we're going to do is we're going to show you how to eat broccoli flowers in your salad. What's the amazing thing of it is that when you pull out these, they are just simply scrumptious. The flowers are edible, the stalk, everything on this plant is edible, and it makes a wonderful salad. Also, what we'll be doing is a potato update. Now that the potato leaves have started to come up from their garbage cans, I can show you how I'm going to be laying the next level of soil in the potatoes. So come and see this interesting video that I'm going to share with you. We'll also be sharing with you another portion of a garden where we'll be grabbing some of the salad that came voluntarily from last year, which I transplanted in my salad raised bed. So we'll see you in a few minutes. Meanwhile, I'm going to eat this one. Okay.
Welcome to Healthy Vegan Living, a whole food plant-based lifestyle.
Hi everyone. So my diet is working just great. Just curious, I weigh 188. I'm actually climbing down to where when I was a teenager. And what's more interesting is I've started something called hot yoga, and the pounds are just shedding right off. Just can't beat it. Now you need some kind of pan. What I'm using is a metal pan and some scissors to be able to cut the flowers off. And I'm going to show you how I'm doing it. Here, cut your flowers off. And you don't really want to leave any flowers on. Because if you leave the flowers on, the plant will go to basically a bolt. The faster you get these flowers off, the better you are to be able to get. Now, the stem has nothing but flowers on them. You got to take it off. And this one here. It looks like it's going to be pretty much what's going to be happening. Is cutting these flowers off. And all of this can be used in your salad. No reason to throw anything away. So you can see I'm slowly realizing that I have to pull the entire stalk off. So after we picked up some more of the lettuces, what we're going to do next is we're going to get some of the kale. We'll get the leaves from the bottom. And these 2 leaves should be enough. The kale has looked really, really good this year. It's bright purple. And what's really cool is even growing some along the stem, which I really love. All right. So for now we're going to go in the kitchen. So this is what you saw me pick from my garden. These are broccoli flowers. Now I'm going to I'm going to grab some of them. I've washed them really fast before I place them in this bag. Now you don't want the really stemmy stems, but you want the flowers. They had such beautiful topping to your garden salad. Okay, so we'll just put these over here and we'll strip them in a minute. This over here is the kale that I chose, and this over here is arugula, and this is over here is last year's romaine, curly romaine, and a couple other romaines that were nice and flat. All right, so I'm going to put this. This has all been washed, so you just cut up to bite size. Like this. And when you have these stems, you can eat them. I like to put them in stews, so I always save the stems. Okay, so this is the first salad of the season, and right now my bed is growing. I'm having a salad every day. I'm just loving life. Now you see how I got those flowers off? I went backwards, I hold the stem, and it just peeled right off. Can't do that all the time. Here's some flowers that haven't totally come, but still it's going to add really a beautiful flavor to your salad. It's going to make it really unique. If you let it flower, what's going to happen? It's going to go to seed, and you want to make as many of these as you can before the plant. Now save these stems and put them Well, like right there's a flower that would pull that off. And put these in your stews, or you'll have to cut them up finely. But the point is that there's no reason to throw away all that delicious food. See, it just comes right off like that. Put it in salad. And we'll save these other flowers for another dish. Okay, so that makes it exciting. What I like to do is I just pick these up from, well, not this one, from Sprouts, and I'm just going to put a couple in. Now you do have to remove these stems there because they don't taste good. You can use scissors, or you can do like I'm doing, is I'm pinching them off, throwing them in a sink, and then that takes care of that portion. Over here, this is a huge bag of Popeye's spinach, and I always like to have a little spinach on top. And I'm going to try to mix it a little bit. You see big pieces, cut them up. Okay, so then what I'm doing this time is I'm showing this calorie-free Walden Farms pear and wall balsamic vinaigrette. Now, I've tried this already and it wasn't perfect. What I don't like about it is it's got way too many chemicals in it, or I should say ingredients. I really prefer my salad dressing to have as little as possible. But anyway, it has a nice taste. So we're going to pour some on top. And we're going to also use some paste picante sauce to give it a little bit of a bite. So here I am eating my salad, my garden salad. And it's delicious. It's fresh. It's pesticide free. And it's going to be a wonderful lunch for me. Now, it doesn't have any starch for the starch solution, so you could say that this is a vegan salad. But I'm also going to be cooking a potato on the side, so I get my starch, and then it becomes a starch solution meal. Well, thanks for watching this quick video where you got to see how I chose the broccoli flowers from my garden and how I put together my salad. Bye-bye now, and we'll see you soon on our next video.
If you like what you see, subscribe. And if you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.